At least 175 fires are burning across South and North Carolina right now, forcing evacuations in both states. Experts say the combination of drought and low humidity are raising concerns for more dangerous fires. ABC's Rena Roy has the latest.
Massive flames engulfing neighborhoods in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Firefighters racing to get at least 175 fires under control across the state and in North Carolina. You can see embers flying into the air and plumes of thick smoke.
We looked out our kitchen window and you could see the flames as high as the trees.
Thousands evacuated in both states, a wall of fire bearing down on homes near the Carolina forest, leaving hundreds of trees charred.
Everything burnt to a crisp. Never seen anything like this.
Helicopters dropping water from the air. ABC's Stephanie Ramos is on the ground.
The largest brush fires erupted here in Carolina forests. We're just west of Myrtle Beach. Fire crews are positioned here and across this area trying to put out any flare-ups.
Those evacuation orders lifted late last night. The governor of South Carolina declaring a state of emergency to step up the response. The state National Guard deploying 2 Black Hawk helicopters to help fight the flames. Emergency personnel racing to extinguish the fires too. Officials in the fire zone warning dry conditions will continue today. The South Carolina Forestry Commission issuing a burn ban until further notice.
And now there is a storm system forecasted to hit the East Coast on Wednesday, which will bring some much needed rain. But that same storm is also expected to bring damaging winds and possible tornadoes. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.